Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to make Naql Bayan Waybill new website because they updated new website. Okay, here I will show you in new website how to make Naql Bayan Waybill. You just click the link in description. Okay, here you have to select local carrier or international carrier. I just select local carrier because I am going to make Waybill for local. After that you just click your company username password. Okay, then click, you will get verification through SMS or email. I am click through SMS. After that you just click login, you will receive OTP through SMS. Okay, if you click through email, you will get OTP from through email. Okay, see, now I received OTP through SMS. Now I received the OTP. After that, to verify, this is the home page, our company home page. Okay, here we have to make Waybill. I'm just changing the language English. Okay, after that left side you can see consignment note. You have to click consignment note. There you create new consignment note. Here only we have to make new Waybill. Okay, just click create new consignment note. Okay friends, here now we are going to make Waybill. Okay, here see, this is the Waybill. Here only we have to fill the data. Okay, first driver data. The driver data, they are asking Saudi driver or expatriate driver. Saudi driver, you just select Saudi. If there is expatriate driver, just select this Akama. Okay, now I am going to make Waybill for expatriate driver Akama. He have Akama, so I am going to give his details. Here he have Akama, so I entered Mukim. So I already given his Akama number. After that, here I am giving his mobile number starting from +966 code also we have to put. Okay, +966, then his number. Okay, this is issue number is Akama. Is Akama issuance number 4. After that we have to validate. Okay, I already validate. Now vehicle information, we have to give his vehicle information. This all I am giving 7874. Then after that validate. Okay, now his vehicle information also added. Now Waybill date, when we are going to load the data, when we are going to load the truck. Okay, so I already entered the date also. Okay, after that here we have to give Waybill data from here, all your company detail, from your company contact number, address, everything. Okay, left side. Right side is receiver detail, receiver, which company you are sending the material or item, whatever it is. Okay, the receiver details, receiver company name, contact number, address. Then this is the charge, freight charges detail. I am giving charge. You can give your charge, how much you want to give. This is the detail. Okay, for other details. After that, here we have to click the which item, goods details. Okay, here I am going to select, if you are sending which item, all items here available. I am loading block, so I give block. The second one is damaged on induct. Induct means it's good one. Okay, after that this price, how much amount, the quantity, how much we are loading. Here all quantity, pieces or ton, everything. Okay, after that you have to click add Waybill. Dimension also we have to make. Okay, just changing the charge. Okay, check everything, then right side also we have to fill the delivery address. Okay, receiver address. Okay, after entering delivery address you check everything. Okay, everything is correct, then you just click add waybill. Once you click add waybill, see if there is error, it will show you in red mark. Green mark is all correct. Okay, you correct the error. Okay, there is a mobile number also, you try add waybill, still error. Now I am correcting the error with mobile number there is a red mark, there is error, so I am entering with Saudi code +966. Okay, mobile, so you have to enter waybill mobile number should be with country code. Okay, see now I click add waybill class. Now waybill created. Okay friends, after that see the consignment is created. Now you check everything once before creating waybill. Just accept the terms and condition. After that just click create. Okay, you just check the date, everything. Okay, the way you must make waybill. Okay, daily. If there is no waybill, there is fine 3000 Saudi Riyal. Sorry, if you don't have waybill, there is fine 5000 Saudi Riyal. Okay, so daily if your truck is public transport, must have waybill. Okay friends, now I checked everything is correct, so I just I agree terms and everything, just click create. Okay, see the consignment note successfully created. This is the way how to make waybill. Okay friends, then after that you can print your waybill. Here you have to click consignment note and view all consignment note. Here we can see the waybill. Okay friends, just click I icon, then you can print. There is this option print. You just click print, then you can print the waybill. Okay friends, if you have any doubt, ask me in comment section, I will reply you about waybill. This is the way how to make waybill. Thank you. Please support and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, I will reply you. Thank you so much.